So here's how to confirm your identity or verify your identity on Facebook. So what you want to do is open Facebook. Once opened, you want to tap on your profile at the top right corner of your screen. You can scroll to the bottom and tap on settings and privacy and then tap on settings. Or on the menu page, tap on the gear icon at the top right corner of your screen. Here you want to tap on see more in account center and then tap on personal details. Under personal details, tap on identity confirmation and then you want to tap on confirm your identity. So there are basically two reasons in this section: running ads about social issues, election or politics, or to protect your account. Tap on your preferred option and under where will you run ads, tap on select and choose your country in this section. On the next page, you want to make sure you have two-factor authentication turned on. If you haven't yet turned it on, you'll be taken through the process to turn it on. You can also watch my video on how to turn on two-factor authentication on Facebook. If you already have it turned on, simply tap on personal ID or notarize the document. Choose your preferred option in this section. I'm going to be using upload your ID and then tap on next. So depending on the country you reside, you might find more options in this section. You can simply tap on show more and you'll be able to see other accepted documents. Choose your preferred option which you would like to upload and tap on next. Tap on get started. And if Facebook don't already have access to your camera, you need to tap on allow. Choose when you want Facebook to take pictures or record videos and then position your camera. This will automatically take the picture of your document. You can go ahead and retake if it isn't clear enough. Once you're done, tap on submit and allow for the document to be uploaded. The review process usually takes up to 48 hours and once done you'll be notified, or you can visit the identity confirmation settings again. Tap on finish and wait for the review results. So thank you for watching this video. If you do find this video helpful, like and subscribe for more tips.